Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about the off-road wheel spaces. Let's go. The 2023 Toyota 4Runner wheel spaces are capable of increasing wheel clearance and adjusting the stock offset rear-wheel more in favor of the negative offset. For off-road lovers, the 4Runner wheel spaces play the same role as the negative offset wheels. More Toyota 4Runner owners choose wheel spaces rather than outlaw wheels, because the Toyota 4Runner spaces are more cost-effective than a new set of wheels. The 4Runner wheel spaces serve to reduce back spacing and provide more space between the hub assembly and the wheel to avoid friction. Another scenario is if you fall in with a particular set of wheels with particular data and need to convert the data, all of which can be achieved with the 4Runner wheel spaces or adapters as a viable option at a lower price. The 4Runner spaces are being chosen by more people. The thickness of the 2023 Toyota 4Runner wheel spaces is obtained by measurement and is not a universal determination, using a straight edge to measure the distance from the outside of the tire to the fender will provide a flat stance. If the wheel needs to be pushed to the outside of the fender, add the above distance to the thickness. The wheel needs to protrude and the thickness of the 2023 Toyota 4Runner wheel spaces usually are mostly integers, such as 50mm, 2-inch, 30mm, and more. It is safe if the 4Runner wheel spaces are installed correctly. The matching lug nuts and studs of Bonus wheel spaces are high quality, and Bonus provides warranty service and permits these parts are made from specified materials and meet quality testing standards, providing SGS and HERE test report. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching and have a great day!